Describe a time when you saw an interesting animal. Talk about a time or describe a time when you saw an interesting animal. And the questions are when, where, with whom. So like every other cue card, we'll be getting 1 minute for the preparation and we have to then give the presentation in the further 2 minutes. So my friends, let's get started. It is very rightly said that human being is a social animal. But I wonder why no one ever talks about how social other species are. Looking for answer to this particular question, I started expeditions to various wildlife sanctuaries. During my adventurous journeys, I came across many animals I had only seen in the syllabus book of my first year in school. Let me tell you about one of these trips where I came across a very large and interesting animal. By large, I'm not referring to the size of a dinosaur. That would have been scary though. I am talking here about a giraffe. 7 months before the coronavirus pandemic hit and international travel was not restricted, I visited the giraffe manor in Kenya with 2 of my friends. It was quite an amazing experience as during our stay, we were involved with the mighty giant animal like no other place on this planet. We got a chance to share the food on our plates with him. Yes, you heard me right. We stayed on the 2nd floor of the building, which allowed us to feed breakfast to the beautiful animal from our room's balcony. Imagine waking up to be treated to a sight of a giraffe waiting for you to feed it. Everything was real but unbelievable. The only tall animal I had come across before this was a camel, and there was quite a large size difference this time. It took some time to sink in. The amazing brown patterns all over the gorgeous, humongous yellow body, the sheer size of the legs under which a 6 feet human could easily stand, and the glowing, beautiful black eyes which stared straight through us was truly a sight to never forget. The innocence with which the giant came down on his knees just so that it could grab the berries which we had in our hands to feed him made us realize how beautiful this universe is and how amazing are the creatures who live here in so much harmony that a 20 feet long animal bends in front of a 6 feet tall human to eat something which it could easily get himself. The best and the worst part of the trip was when we were leaving the place. Best because of the hugs we got to give to the beautiful, beautiful creature. Worst because we would no longer have giraffes to feed breakfast when we reach home and in our balconies.